Hello everyone, welcome back to a new OK video. My name is Omar and let's jump right in. What is dynamic programming? Dynamic programming is a fancy word for a problem-solving technique. The idea of dynamic programming is that you have a big problem you want to solve. You assume that you can reach a solution for a smaller subproblem. All you need to do is define a transition or an operation to jump from that smaller subproblem to the big problem. So, dynamic programming needs three things to work: a state, transition, and a base case. Let's get into more details. A state is supposed to be the solution to the problem we have at hand. Normally, this state is represented and saved in some sort of an array structure. Then, the previous locations in the array carry the previous state. Then we have the transitions between the previous states to this one, which is normally a simple operation between them. The whole trick in dynamic programming is finding this transition. This transition will be repeated throughout all the subproblems and eventually reaching a base case. The base case is what represents the smallest possible problem that we can have. Then it is like block building over each other. Well, this awfully looks like recursion thinking. So why don't we just use recursion? Well, one of the key advantages is that it tries to optimize for recursive solutions. In recursion, there might be overlapping subproblems, meaning these subproblems are required in several steps. In recursion, we go and recalculate the subproblem solution again and again and again. Using dynamic programming, we save the state in our array to avoid recalculating this solution. This approach can optimize a solution from running in exponential time to linear. You can go to these videos to see problems solved with dynamic programming. I will also keep an updated list in the description. That was all for today's video. See you in the next one.